Children, today we are going to start a new topic which is chapter 8 construction and Pythagoras theorem. So basically in today's class we will learn how to construct a perpendicular at a point and how to draw a perpendicular from the given point. Alright children, let's study. If suppose there is a line, suppose the measure of the line is like 7 centimeter. Okay, and if we have to bisect this line using compass and protractor only, then how we will bisect, right? So what we'll do, we'll at this end we will put the needle of the compass, and then we just take more than half distance randomly, distance more than half, and then we mark two arcs from this point, one from here and one above, one below, like this. Okay, same we do from this end. You put a needle of the compass here, uh, and again then we mark two arcs, one, two, right? Now we can see we have marked both arcs are intersecting. Now if we join these 2 points, when we join these 2 points, say like this, this point will be the midpoint of the line. Now this line has been bisected. If we measure, you can see that it's like this is 3.5, right children? So this way we can bisect any given line. Let's see another construction. Suppose there is another line, and if we have to, on this line, if we have to draw perpendicular at a certain point, suppose we have to draw perpendicular at point P, then how we'll draw perpendicular at P? What we'll do, we'll make a 90-degree angle at point P. How we make 90-degree angle? Take a certain distance, okay, like this, put the needle of the compass at P and mark an arc like this, right? Now you can see this way, when we draw the semicircle, this semicircle is intersecting the line at 2 points, 1 and 2. Okay, from these 2 points, without changing the distance of the compass, right, if we mark two arcs, so if we join these 2 points, it will be 60-degree angle, right? From here, mark an arc like this. If we join these 2 points, that will be 120-degree angle. Now if we bisect these 2 points, that means 60 and 120, we'll get a 90-degree angle. This way. So when we join this point with this line, we can say this is the perpendicular at point P. Alright children, please note down. Now suppose if we have to drop a perpendicular from the given point, then how we'll drop? Let's say there's a line and there's a point. Okay, now we have to drop a perpendicular from this point to this line. I hope you can see the point properly, right? From this point to this line, we are dropping a perpendicular. Then what we'll do? So take the compass, put the needle of the compass at the point. Okay, just more than little distance more than this line, so that we can get two arcs. You can mark two arcs on this line, one from here, one from here. Okay, we have to take the random distance, just approximate distance, so that the distance is just greater than the line. Okay, so this is the distance between the point and the line. We have to take a little bit more distance, so that we can get these two arcs properly. Now when we obtain these two arcs, we have to bisect these two arcs. So what we'll do, one arc from here and one arc we mark from here like this. Okay, this is done. Both the arcs have been marked, one from here, from this point, and one from this point here, right? The arcs we have obtained. Okay, so this way we got these two arcs. Now this line has been bisected. The line between the arcs has been bisected by these two arcs. Now what we'll do when we join these the intersection of this point, the arcs and this point, we get the perpendicular from the point to the line. Let's join this. Right. So suppose this is a point P, this is M, this is say A, B. So this is PM is perpendicular to AB. So this way we can drop a perpendicular from the point to any line. Please note down. Let's see a sum in this question. The question it is given that construct rectangle ABCD with side AB equals to 8 centimeter, right? BC is equals to 5 centimeter, and we have to draw diagonal AC. Then we have to construct perpendicular from point B and D to AC. Right. We know that all the angles of a rectangle are 90 degree. So using the protractor, we can draw the rectangle. Okay. So children, using protractor, I have constructed this rectangle. This is 8 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter. The sides of the rectangle, say this is AB, this is C, this is D, this is 8 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter. All right. Now in the question it is given that draw diagonal AC. So when we join A and C, we get the diagonal AC, right? So this is point C. If we join this to A, we get a diagonal AC. Now what we have to do, we have to draw perpendicular from point B and D to diagonal AC. I'll draw one perpendicular, you draw another, right? Suppose we have to draw perpendicular from point B. So what we'll do, this is the distance between the compass and the line. So we take little bit more distance and we mark two arcs like this. This is the perpendicular from a point to the line, this one, right? Now we have to bisect the distance between the line between these two arcs. So what we do, again two arcs we'll mark. One from here and one from here. Now these are two arcs intersect at this point. When we join the point B to the intersection of this arc, so this say BM is perpendicular to AC. Similarly, we have to draw perpendicular from B to AC. Okay, please note down.